everyone, I am Jayla Muchiti Brabante, and now our topic is uncertainty. Uncertainty again and again. But our uncertainty now is different content, not content of music. Our content for today is the Bible. In the content of the Bible, uncertainty refers to the state of not knowing or being anxious about the future one's circumstance or earthly matters. The biblical response to this is almost universally to shift one's focus from human inability and temporal fears to trust in God, certain and eternal nature. The most direct term for uncertainty in Tagalog, as used in biblical translation, is kawalan ng katiyakan. Bible verse example. A powerful example of the Bible addressing the uncertainty of life is found in the New Testament book of James, Santiago. James 4:14. English Standard Version. Yet you do not know what tomorrow will bring. What is your life? For you are the mist of appears for a little time and then vanish. Tagalog meaning, uncertainty in this verse, kawalan ng katiyakan. The uncertainty here is about the future time and the briefly of life itself. What tomorrow will bring. The verse confronts the human tendency to plan without acknowledge the temporary and unpredictable nature of existence. Tagalog translation, ang salita ng Diyos. Sa katanungan, sa, kat, sa katunayan, hindi ninyo alam kung ano ang mangyayari sa inyong bukas. Sapagkat ang buhay ay parang hamog, nalilitaw ng sandali at mawawala pagkatapos. Mangyayari sa iyo bukas. What will happen to you tomorrow? The uncertain future. Hamog, mist, dew. Used as a metaphor for the temporary nature of life. Biblical response to uncertainty. While the Bible acknowledges that life on earth is full of uncertainty, it immediately provides a counter message of assurance, typically rooted in trust, courage, and God's plan. A prime example that counters fear and uncertainty is the verse of Isaiah. Isaiah 41:10, English Standard Version. Fear not, for I am with you. Be not dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you, I will help you, I will uphold you with my strenuous right hand. Tagalog meaning, this verse directly addressing the feelings that arise from uncertainty, fear, and dismay. Tagalog translation, Magandang Balita, Biblia. Huwag kang matakot sapagkat ako'y sumasa iyo. Huwag kang manlumpaypay sapagkat ako ang iyong Diyos. Palalakasin kita, tutulungan kita, at aalalayan ng aking kanang kamay ng matuwid. Huwag kang matakot, do not be afraid, sapagkat ako'y sumasa iyo. For I am with you, the source of certain. That's all. Babush!